Hello and welcome back to the YakChat channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to view your phone contacts right inside the YakChat Text365 app. To get started, go ahead and open up the Text365 app on your phone. When you do, you'll see a pop-up asking for permission to access your contacts. Just tap Allow so the app can display your phone's contact list. If you ever need to adjust this setting later, it's easy to do. Just head over to your phone's settings, find the App Management section, choose Text365 and tap on Permissions. From there, you can change what the app has access to whenever you like. Once you've given permission, your phone contacts will show up right in the app. Just tap on the Contacts page, then click the Phone tab. That's where you'll find your mobile contacts. From here, you can send messages to your phone contacts directly through the Text365 app. It's all built in and super convenient. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks from YakChat. See you next time.